This 2022 Midwest Patriot Midwest Auto Maryland 2 is a Class B RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Midwest is 22 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 2, awning, stovetop burner, refrigerator, and 27 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B features couples coach, front bath, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom, rear entertainment, rear living area, 2 entry, exit doors. This 2022 Midwest Patriot Midwest Auto Maryland 2 is built on a Ford Transit chassis and is powered by a Ford engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.